Hello everyone, this is a short series on Raspberry Pi commands. Today we are demonstrating the sudo apt-get command, a must-know for keeping your Raspberry Pi up to date and secure. Let's dive in. The sudo apt-get command refresh the packages index files on your Raspberry Pi, ensuring you get the latest updates, bug fixes, and security patches when you install or upgrade software. Now let's do a basic update and upgrade. You're going to type sudo apt. I'm going to clear this. Sudo apt-get update. This fetches the latest packages list from the repositories configure on your system. Now next we're going to type sudo apt-get upgrade. After updating, this commands install the latest versions of the packages you already have installed. Now let's jump into some advanced command. This upgrade, we're going to type sudo apt-get upgrade. This command not only upgrades existing packages but also handles dependency changes and install new required packages. Now let's go check install packages. We're going to type sudo apt list -- install. So this check the list of installed packages to see what's already on your Raspberry Pi 5. Next, thing that remove unused packages. Normally we type sudo apt-get auto remove. After upgrades, this cleans up packages that are no longer needed. Next we type sudo apt-get clean. Now this clear out the local cache of retrieved packages file, saving storage space. Next, missing packages. Sudo apt-get install -- fix missing. Now if packages fail to install, this command to attempt fixing missing dependencies. How to install a package? We type sudo apt-get install xrdp. This is my package I want to install, and you can see it's installing the package. Now next, if you want to uninstall a package, we type sudo apt-get remove, find the package name. I'm going to use xrdp. So this will uninstall a specific package that we no longer need. We're going to type yes. It's going to remove from your system. That's it for today. Tip on apt-get commands for your Raspberry Pi 5. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our IT Samurai teacher. Some more tech tutorials. See you on my next video.